have a new plane. This all of this plane a new plane.
Yes, my brother's collection.
Yeah.
Aeroplane collection.
And this.
Yeah, this is all his collection. Aeroplane
And this.
collection. So
And
I'm
this.
going to show you one by one. It's my brother.
Hey guys, we have a new plane.
So
This plane.
this is Firefly. And
Whoa!
firefly.com.my. See? And yeah, it's like a Firefly airplane, but it's heavy. It's an accessory for your cupboard.
Hey guys, this is a jet plane of USS.
USA.
USS.
See? The airplane. It's the jet. Oh, but its wings broke. No, never mind. Okay. This one is Dusty Crab Hopper, my brother's one.
This is the water jet plane.
Yeah, it's the same, but actually it's more smaller. But
Hey,
you
this
see
is
this?
too
You see this?
This is big.
And the next one is Fun Plane. The twins of the fun.
This
plane.
big too.
Yeah.
We got 3 fun planes.
Yep. You got 3. And the next one is this tree aeroplane. My brother's one.
This is not the same.
Where is it? And that's another one.
This is this.
Yeah.
This is the one.
You see, it's KLM. See?
And
Okay, and the next one is Skipper planes. My brother loves planes.
hey,
Skipper. And the final one is Virgin Atlantic. It's Virgin and it has wings too. There is a tin one.
and T2.
Yeah, a tin one and a fat one. 2 fat one. Ta-da! So this is all his collection.
Bye guys.